Welcome to English Practice Every Day. I already explained in earlier lesson videos that it is important to learn and use common phrases and word combinations, what I call word groups, when speaking English fluently. These word groups make it easier to form sentences while speaking. When speaking naturally, it's best to use the phrases and word combinations that come to mind first, even if they are not exactly perfect. I will assure you that as we keep talking, we can improve our ideas by using other words. We shouldn't wait for the perfect words before speaking. That creates hesitation. Like native English speakers, we should rely on common phrases and word combinations. This also helps us sound more natural and like a native speaker. To understand native speakers or dialogues in visual media, we need to be familiar with such common English phrases. Native speakers expect us to use these familiar phrases. Use of uncommon combinations of words can sound strange, so it's important to practice and learn these common phrases to speak more fluently. Now that I have explained the purpose behind this practice session, let's start practicing these familiar and common phrases as word groups. This practice is for your tongue and mind to become familiar with them, so you can easily use them while you speak. In this session, we will practice verb plus noun word groups. I will urge you to not repeat after me, but say aloud with me. We will practice together. Let's start. Get a gift. Get a gift. Get a gift. Drive a car. Drive a car. Drive a car. Get a surprise. Get a surprise. Get a surprise. Make a mistake. Make a mistake. Make a mistake. Enjoy something. Enjoy something. Enjoy something. Shut the windows. Shut the windows. Shut the windows. Enlist in the military. Enlist in the military. Enlist in the military. Enlist in the military. Enroll in a university. Enroll in a university. Enroll in a university. Enroll in a university. Talk about a subject. Talk about a subject. Talk about a subject. Ask the teacher a question. Ask the teacher a question. Ask the teacher a question. Pass a test. Pass a test. Pass a test. Create a plan. Create a plan. Create a plan. Attend a party. Attend a party. Attend a party. Give a speech. Give a speech. Give a speech. Share an opinion. Share an opinion. Share an opinion. Discover the truth. Discover the truth. Discover the truth. Smile in a funny way. Smile in a funny way. Smile in a funny way. Become part of a group. Become part of a group. Become part of a group. Get a letter from someone. Get a letter from someone. Get a letter from someone. Connect the incorrect wires. Connect the incorrect wires. Connect the incorrect wires. Connect the incorrect wires. Take a lead. Take a lead. Take a lead. Affect a policy. Affect a policy. Affect a policy. Clean the glass. Clean the glass. Clean the glass. Join a profession. Join a profession. Join a profession. Check the weather. Check the weather. Check the weather. Influence a decision. Influence a decision. Influence a decision. Enhance a relationship. Enhance a relationship. Enhance a relationship. Make something better. Make something better. Make something better. Dislike the idea of doing it. Dislike the idea of doing it. Dislike the idea of doing it. Receive a bill for payment. Receive a bill for payment. Receive a bill for payment. I hope you are saying aloud with me. Please keep it up. Mask the flavor. Mask the flavor. Mask the flavor. Produce a signal. Produce a signal. Produce a signal. Give an ultimatum. Give an ultimatum. Give an ultimatum. Operate a machine. Operate a machine. Operate a machine. Impact an outcome. Impact an outcome. Impact an outcome. Give a presentation. Give a presentation. Give a presentation. Avoid the busy traffic. Avoid the busy traffic. Avoid the busy traffic. Increase the size of it. Increase the size of it. Increase the size of it. Create a path through 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 it. Have a tendency to do it. Have a tendency to do it. Have a tendency to do it. Alter a situation. Alter a situation. Alter a situation. Shoot a weapon. Shoot a weapon. Shoot a weapon. Read a roadmap. Read a roadmap. Read a roadmap. Correct a mistake. Correct a mistake. Correct a mistake. Cause excitement. Cause excitement. Cause excitement. Explain a situation. Explain a situation. Explain a situation. Express an interest in it. Express an interest in it. Express an interest in it. Improve the environment. Improve the environment. Improve the environment. Discuss the importance of it. Discuss the importance of it. Discuss the importance of it. Become part of a movement. Become part of a movement. Become part of a movement. Flap a wing. Flap a wing. Flap a wing. Join a class. Join a class. Join a class. Drop a subject. Drop a subject. Drop a subject. Invite the friends. Invite the friends. Invite the friends. Become a critic of it. Become a critic of it. Become a critic of it. Share news about it. Share news about it. Share news about it. Benefit from doing it. Benefit from doing it. Benefit from doing it. Manage the finances. Manage the finances. Manage the finances. Reach an agreement. Reach an agreement. Reach an agreement. Offer a warm welcome. Offer a warm welcome. Offer a warm welcome. Please don't feel tired and keep up with the practice. Take on a title. Take on a title. Take on a title. Shift the topic. Shift the topic. Shift the topic. Possess a skill. Possess a skill. Possess a skill. Sound an alarm. Sound an alarm. Sound an alarm. Question a theory. Question a theory. Question a theory. Split the role in two. Split the role in two. Split the role in two. Express a concern. Express a concern. Express a concern. Inform the authorities. Inform the authorities. Inform the authorities. Develop a fear about it. Develop a fear about it. Develop a fear about it. Strike a deal with them. Strike a deal with them. Strike a deal with them. Set a limit. Set a limit. Set a limit. Probe a crime. Probe a crime. Probe a crime. Seal a window. seal a window, seal a window. Deal a blow to it, deal a blow to it, deal a blow to it. Shape a behavior, shape a behavior, shape a behavior. Escape a concern, escape a concern, escape a concern. Point out a lack of it, point out a lack of it, point out a lack of it. Embrace a suggestion, embrace a suggestion, embrace a suggestion. Recognize a requirement, recognize a requirement, recognize a requirement. Burn a hole in your pocket, burn a hole in your pocket, burn a hole in your pocket. Fire a shot, fire a shot, fire a shot. Bear a burden, bear a burden, bear a burden. Pose a challenge, pose a challenge, pose a challenge. Reach a deadlock, reach a deadlock, reach a deadlock. Contract an infection, contract an infection, contract an infection. Find a middle ground, find a middle ground, find a middle ground. Determine the cause of it, determine the cause of it, determine the cause of it. Exhibit the characteristics of it, exhibit the characteristics of it, exhibit the characteristics of it. Steer the conversation towards it, steer the conversation towards it, steer the conversation towards it. Congratulations if you're still with me. Enroll in a course, enroll in a course, enroll in a course. Listen to the violin, listen to the violin, listen to the violin. Identify a necessity, identify a necessity, identify a necessity. Feel the desire for it, feel the desire for it, feel the desire for it. Engage in the struggle, engage in the struggle, engage in the struggle. Break a promise to do it, break a promise to do it, break a promise to do it. Define the meaning of it, define the meaning of it, define the meaning of it. Impose a restriction on it, impose a restriction on it, impose a restriction on it. Seal off the entrance to it, seal off the entrance to it, seal off the entrance to it. Endure the thought of doing it, endure the thought of doing it, endure the thought of doing it. Dance the tango, dance the tango, dance the tango. Endure the strain, endure the strain, endure the strain. Locate a position, locate a position, locate a position. Detect a problem, detect a problem, detect a problem. Join an institution, join an institution, join an institution. Express an intention, express an intention, express an intention. Cast a shadow over it, cast a shadow over it, cast a shadow over it. Grasp the essence of it, grasp the essence of it, grasp the essence of it. Set the rent at 100 per week, set the rent at 100 per week, set the rent at 100 per week. Share a concern in confidence, share a concern in confidence, share a concern in confidence. Attain a goal, attain a goal, attain a goal. Hit the target, hit the target, hit the target. Enforce a ban, enforce a ban, enforce a ban. Cultivate a skill, cultivate a skill, cultivate a skill. Enhance a skill, enhance a skill, enhance a skill. Drape the tables, drape the tables, drape the tables. Undertake a task, undertake a task, undertake a task. Visualize a scene, visualize a scene, visualize a scene. Receive a penalty, receive a penalty, receive a penalty. Make a passing comment. Make a passing comment. Make a passing comment. We are almost done with this practice. Please keep up. Add a hint of it. Add a hint of it. Add a hint of it. Sketch a square. Sketch a square. Sketch a square. Pinpoint a location. Pinpoint a location. Pinpoint a location. Raise the price of it. Raise the price of it. Raise the price of it. Bear the marks of it. Bear the marks of it. Bear the marks of it. Purchase the tickets. Purchase the tickets. Purchase the tickets. Join the police force. Join the police force. Join the police force. Embark on a desired path. Embark on a desired path. Embark on a desired path. Contemplate the possibility. Contemplate the possibility. Contemplate the possibility. Possess the strength to do it. Possess the strength to do it. Possess the strength to do it. Follow a trend. Follow a trend. Follow a trend. Call for a strike. Call for a strike. Call for a strike. Host a program. Host a program. Host a program. Experience a jolt. Experience a jolt. Experience a jolt. Enlist in the Navy. Enlist in the Navy. Enlist in the Navy. Confront the truth. Confront the truth. Confront the truth. Receive a response. Receive a response. Receive a response. Surpass the limit of it. Surpass the limit of it. Surpass the limit of it. Implement a strategy. Implement a strategy. Implement a strategy. Interview a candidate. Interview a candidate. Interview a candidate. That's all for this session. Please keep practicing with patience and discipline and try to use these word groups in your daily life. Don't be afraid to be wrong. Over time, you will refine your speech, but right now, you need to keep practicing and trying what you practice in your daily life. We will continue this practice for next few sessions. Bye for now.